Dear children, the previous section we see that how to plot the points on the Cartesian plane. In this section we will discuss some problems. See the question. Plot the points M, N, O, P. Name the figure obtained by joining these points. Find the perimeter of the figure. So first of all you want to plot these points. Here first point is M, the coordinate is 4, 3. Coordinate 4, 3. So the position of M will be here. This is M, 4, 3. Next N, that is 4, 0. That is on the y coordinate is 0. It will be in the x-axis itself. So 4, 0. That is the point N. 4, 0. Next O. Coordinate 0, 0. So it is origin. This is the position of O. Next P, 0, 3. 0, 3. X coordinate is 0, Y coordinate is 3. So that point lies on the Y axis. 0, 3. That is the point P. Now you can join these 4 points. Join the 4 points. See, when you join the points, we are getting a figure M, N, O, P. We are joining these 4 points. We are getting a figure, a rectangular shape. So name the figure obtained by joining the 4 points, that is rectangle. The third question is find the perimeter of the figure obtained. Here the figure we got, that is rectangle. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? We know that perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Length 2 into length plus breadth. First of all, you want to know what is the length of this rectangle and breadth of the rectangle. This is ON is the length and MN or OP is the breadth. Here the length will be equal to 4 units and breadth is equal to, that will be the y coordinate, distance from x-axis to the point. Y coordinate, that is 3 units. So length is equal to 4 unit, breadth is equal to 3 unit, and here also you can see the breadth will be 3 unit and this distance also 4 unit. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length means ON plus breadth means MN. So 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 4 plus 3. So 2 into 7, that is equal to 14 units. So the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 14 units. In figure, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle whose each side is 8 units. If origin O is midpoint of AB and C lies on y-axis, then find the coordinate of the vertices of triangle ABC. Here it's given for you O is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, OA is equal to OB. And it's already given triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. That means all these 3 sides of the triangle, all these 3 sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CA. and it's given O is the midpoint of AB. That means OA is equal to OB is equal to half of AB. It's given for you each side of this equilateral triangle is 8 units. That means AB is equal to or BC is equal to CA is equal to 8 units. So if AB is equal to 8 units, then OA and OB is also equal to OA is equal to OB is also equal to half of 8. That is 4 units. Half of 8. Now we want to find the coordinates of A, B and C. We know what is OA, OB and what is AB. How can we find the coordinates of point A, B and C? If you observe the triangle BOC, observe triangle BOC. In that we know the length BC and we know the length OB. Using this, can you find the length OC? Yes, we can find the length of OC because triangle BOC is a right triangle. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we are able to find the length OC. So by using Pythagoras theorem, OC is equal to, in triangle BOC, OC is equal to square root of hypotenuse square, that is BC. BC square minus OB square. That is equal to square root of BC is equal to 8 units. So 8 square minus OB is equal to 4 units. So 4 square. That is equal to square root of 64 minus 16. That is equal to square root of 48. That is equal to 4 root 3 units. Using the prime factorization method, you can find the square root of 48. So we got the length, length OC. This is OC. So the length of OC is equal to 4 root 3. Here we know that the point C lies on the x-axis. Therefore, the distance from origin to the point, that is 4 root 3. OC, the length of OC is equal to 4 root 3. That means the distance from x-axis to the point is 4 root 3. We know that the distance from x-axis to the point is y coordinate. This point lies on the y-axis. Therefore, the coordinate of this point are of the form 0, y. So, the coordinate of C, we will get it. The coordinate of vertex C is equal to 0, 4 root 3. Y coordinate 4 root 3. X coordinate is 0. The distance from x-axis to the point is y coordinate. The same way you can find the coordinate of point A and point B, because we know that what is the length of OA and OB. The length of OA is equal to 4 unit and OB is also equal to 4 unit. O lies on the x-axis and B is also lies on the x-axis. So distance from y-axis to the point is known as x-coordinate. So here this distance is 4 unit. That means that the coordinate of this point A is coordinate of vertex A is equal to, it lies on the x-axis. Distance from y-axis to the point is 4 unit. Therefore, x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 0 because it lies on the x-axis. Same way, the coordinate of vertex B is equal to, the distance from y-axis to that point is 4 unit. So the x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 0. So we got the coordinates of 3 vertex A 4 0, vertex B 4 0, vertex C 0 4 root 3. In the given figure, PQR is an equilateral triangle with the coordinates of Q and R as 0, 6 and 0, minus 6. Find the coordinates of the vertex P. Here Q is 0, 6 and R is 0, minus 6. That means the point Q and R lies on the y-axis. So in point Q, the distance from x-axis to the point is y-coordinate, that is 6. So the distance OQ is equal to 6 units. And the point R, the coordinates of point R is 0, minus 6. This distance from x-axis to the point is 6 unit. That is the y-coordinate, that is minus 6. So the distance from x-axis to the point is 6 unit. So total distance QR is equal to 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12 units. 12 units. So we know that PQR is a equilateral triangle. One of the sides we got it at 12 unit. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So QR is equal to PR is equal to PQ is equal to 12 units. All sides are equal. Now consider the triangle POQ or POR, any one of the triangle. Triangle POQ. In triangle POQ, we know the length OQ and we know the length PQ. OQ is equal to 6 unit, PQ is equal to 12 units. So we can find the length OP. So in triangle POQ, OP is equal to square root of hypotenuse square, that is PQ square minus base square, that is OQ square. That is equal to square root of PQ is equal to 12 unit. So 12 square minus 6 square. That is equal to square root of 144 minus 36. That is equal to square root of 8, here 0, 1, 108. The square root of 108 is equal to 2, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 5, sorry, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 14, 7 2s are 14, in 27, 3 times, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So you can, it's a square, you can make a pairs, but this 3 has no pair. Which all have pairs, you can take each one. So 2 into 3 into root 3. So square root of 108 is equal to 6 root 3 units. So we got the length of AP, that is equal to 6 root 3. So distance from y-axis, to the point is 6 root 3. So the coordinate of point P lies on the x-axis. So the coordinate of point P is equal to 6 root 3 Distance from y-axis to the point is x coordinate. So 6 root 3, 0. Y coordinate is always 0. The distance from x-axis to the point is 0. So we got the coordinate 6 root 3, 0. We want to find the coordinate of the vertex P. Now we got the distance of OP is equal to 6 root 3. Therefore, the coordinate of P is equal to 6 root 3, 0. In this lesson, we have studied Cartesian plane. To locate a point in the Cartesian plane, we need two perpendicular lines called coordinate axes. The point of intersection of coordinate axis is called the origin. And the coordinate axis divide the plane into four parts called the quadrants. Then we discuss the convention of signs. The coordinate of a point are of the form positive positive in the first quadrant, negative positive in the second quadrant, negative negative in the third quadrant, and positive negative in the fourth quadrant. Then we see that the coordinate of a point in a plane. If the abscissa of point is x and the ordinate is y, then x, y are called the coordinate of the point. Next, ordered pair. If x not equal to y, then the position of x, y in the Cartesian plane is different from the position of y, x. So the ordered pair x, y not equal to ordered pair y, x. And the ordered pair x, y is equal to ordered pair y, x if x is equal to y. You should read the textbook today and prepare the notes. Today, which all questions we discussed that you should write it in the notebook. And today's your exercise worksheet is exercise 3.3. You have to use a graph book or graph paper to plot the points on the Cartesian plane. And if you are using graph paper, you should paste that graph paper in your notebook. Otherwise, you can use the graph book. And study well, prepare for your test. And if you have any doubts, you can ask the doubt through Parent Eye. Thank you.